Which scissor jack is actually good for your travel trailer? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Corey Heavy Duty Jacks. Let's kick things off with the Corey 7,500 pounds RV Stabilizer Leveling Scissor Jacks. Priced at $69.99, this set of 2 jacks caught my eye because of its heavy-duty steel construction and impressive user rating of 4.7 stars from over 937 reviews. If you want reliable support for your RV, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These jacks have a maximum height of 24 inches and a compact retracted height of 4 inches. This means they can stabilize your travel trailer on uneven terrains, which is crucial when you're camping in the wild. Plus, they come with a crank handle and a drill bit, so you can choose how you want to elevate your RV, manually or with a power drill for that little extra convenience. With 600 plus purchases just in the last month, it's clear that many find them effective. Now, some users did mention that they found the crank handle a bit flimsy under heavy use. Here's the thing though, if you're not cranking it constantly and use it for stabilization rather than lifting, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable and budget-friendly option for stabilizing your RV. Skip this one if you need something that can lift heavy weights or if you're looking for a more premium product. For the price, you really can't go wrong with these jacks. Now, if the slightly flimsy handle concerns you, the next option might actually ease your worries about sturdiness. Product number 2, Libra Heavy Duty 9K LB Jacks. Next up is the Libra set of 4 heavy-duty 24 scissor jacks, rated for 9,000 pounds and priced at $144.98. With a solid 4.7-star rating from over 3,100 reviews, these are built to handle some serious weight. If you want ultimate stability, this is worth a serious look. They come with a 3/4 hex magnetic socket, allowing for quick power drill operation, so you can set up your RV in no time. With an adjustable height of 24 inches down to 5 inches, they cater to a wide variety of vehicles. Plus, all installation hardware is included, which means you won't have to scramble for extra parts. However, some users did report that the installation guide could be clearer. Now here's the thing, if you're somewhat handy or have a friend who is, it's definitely manageable. This is a great choice if you have a heavier trailer and need dependable stabilization. But skip this one if you're on a tight budget or have a lighter RV, as it might be overkill for your needs. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a perfect balance of strength and affordability. Product number 3, Libra 6K LB Jacks. Third on our list is the Libra set of 4 6,000-pound scissor jacks, priced at $123.99. This product boasts a 4.7-star rating from about 2,900 reviews. If you're looking for something that combines affordability and durability, this is worth a serious look. This means you're getting reliable stabilization without breaking the bank. The wide bow tie base ensures that your trailer stays stable on soft or uneven ground, preventing that annoying wobble you might experience at camp. Plus, the fast power drill operation makes setup a breeze, which is a huge time saver. However, some customers mentioned that they felt the jacks could be a bit heavier. Here's the thing though, if you're not moving them around constantly and have the right setup, their sturdiness outweighs any portability concerns. This is perfect for you if you want high-quality jacks that won't cost a fortune. Skip this one if you're looking for the absolute highest weight capacity, as it might not be enough for heavier trailers. If you want a balance of quality and price, these are a solid choice. Now, if you're still looking for something even more budget-friendly, you'll want to hear about our next product. Product number 4, ROCKMAN Stabilizer Jacks. Coming in at number 4 are the ROCKMAN RV Camper Trailer Stabilizer Leveling Scissor Jacks, priced at $57.98. With a rating of 4.6 stars from over 1,300 reviews, they're one of the more affordable options. If you're after a budget-friendly solution that still gets the job done, this is definitely worth a look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Each jack supports up to 5,000 pounds, making them suitable for lighter trailers and campers. The wide bow tie base provides excellent stability on uneven surfaces, so you don't have to worry about your trailer shifting while you're trying to enjoy your vacation. Plus, they come with a magnetic hex socket for quick power drill operation, speeding up your setup time considerably. Now, some folks noted that the jacks might not be as durable for very heavy trailers. Here's the thing. If you have a smaller RV or are just using these for light stabilization, they perform just fine. This is perfect for you if you're on a tight budget but still want reliable stabilization for your lighter trailer. Skip this one if you're looking for something to support heavier loads, as it may not meet your needs. If you want a solid, cost-effective product, these jacks are worth checking out. Alright, last but definitely not least, let's look at the final product that rounds out our list. Product number 5, Libra 6K Pounds Set 2. Finally, we have the Libra 24 6K Pounds RV Trailer Camper Stabilizer Leveling Scissor Jacks priced at $66.99. This set has an impressive 4.8-star rating from around 2,200 users. If you want a reliable option that balances quality and affordability, you should take a closer look here. Their maximum load capacity of 6,000 pounds means they fit well for most campers. They also come with all the installation hardware, making your life a lot easier when setting up. However, some users mentioned that they struggled with the initial setup. Here's the thing, if you take your time and follow the guide, it really shouldn't be an issue, and it's worth the effort for the performance you'll get. This is a great choice if you want something dependable without spending a fortune. Skip this one if you need something that can handle extreme weights, as you might want to look for heavier-duty options. Overall, for the price and performance, these jacks are a fantastic choice for most RV owners. To wrap up, we've looked at the Corey jacks that offer great value, the Libra 9K jacks for heavy-duty use, the affordable Libra 6K jacks, the budget-friendly ROCKMAN jacks, and lastly, the dependable Libra 6K Pound Set 2. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, but they all serve the important purpose of keeping your travel trailer stable. Choose wisely based on your specific needs.